The Director of State Disaster Management Authority (SDMA), Matsiewdor War Nongbri, had convened a press conference to offer an update on the report of natural calamities which had occurred from 1st to 16th June 2023 in three districts of Meghalaya that include East, West, and Jaintia Hills. At the same time, the SDMA director has requested to the public to public download the Sachet app, which displays warnings and updates on weather conditions across the country.
This is with effect from 1st of June 2023 till date. Now this is as per the IMD, Indian Meteorological Department. So far, all the districts have been kept on high alert. They have been instructed to take immediate necessary action whenever required. And as you know, this is the office of the SDMA, State Disaster Management Authority, where I'm the Executive Director, and we are also part of this Emergency Operations Center. We also have the DDMAs in the district who take up actions relating to disaster management. So the districts have issued advisories to the general public to be alert and to be cautious. So far, we have had two red alerts actually in the past 2-3 days. One red alert and warning was issued by IMD on the 15th of June at 8:30 in the morning and on the 16th of June at 1 p.m. These are specifically only for three districts, that is East Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills. Now the SDOC, we have a mandate as per the Government of India. We have a scheme called CAP, Common Alerting Protocol. So when we receive a red alert from IMD, automatically we activate CAP, that is the Common Alerting Protocol, wherein we disseminate this information to the general public who are affected within the red alert area. So the three districts of East Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills receive these SMS-based alerts. Okay, and we also send these alerts out through the Sachet app. This is a Sachet app, it's an app of the Government of India through NDMA. So far, it is good to note that we have our service providers who have disseminated these alerts, which includes BSNL, Reliance, Jio, Vodafone, Airtel. In the last 2 days, we have disseminated, in the first red alert, we have disseminated about 8.9 lakhs alerts, and in the second day, that is today, 16, 8,67,000 alerts. So we also, as I said, we also have the mobile Sachet app called SACHET Sachet app, wherein the alert is, the notification is issued. In general, or rather on an overall assessment of what has happened in the past 9 days, we have found that quite a few calamities had taken place. Out of the 9 days, for 5 days there were effects in North Garo Hills, East Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills, East Jaintia Hills, West Garo Hills, North Garo Hills, Southwest Garo Hills, Ribhoi District and East Jaintia Hills. These include the calamities of cyclone, heavy rainfall, fire incident, lightning strike, landslide, mudslide, thunderstorm. That's it. The number of villages affected was 79. The population affected is 2,777. Human lives lost is 1. Animal deaths is 3. House damage is 186. Now this information I'm giving you is actually based on FIRs that are filed in the respective districts. However, there will be full assessment made by the Deputy Commissioner through the respective officers, and then based on that a detailed report will be sent by the Deputy Commissioner to the Revenue Department. Post which the Revenue Department takes up for giving relief to the people as per the SDRF norms of 2022-23. So as I said, in terms of cyclone, heavy rainfall, the number of villages are so. In fire incident, we have had only one in West Khasi Hills. This is only for the past 9 days. Yeah? Lightning strike 1, and the rest are cyclonic storm and landslides. Of these, the more affected areas of landslides include the Sunapurdi tunnel along the National Highway 6 under Lumshnong CNRT block, and the Rangan area of the National Highway 40 Shillong Tauki Road. We have quite a few populations. I mean, apart from population affected, we have, as I said, animal deaths and the house damage. So that is the present situation as of today. On behalf of the State Disaster Management Authority, I would request that the public to kindly download the Sachet app. It's a very good app to know the updates and details of any upcoming, weather conditions, especially in the state. And I would request all public to kindly download the Sachet app, SACHET. Thank you.